In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change number format in Google Ads account. If you work across regions or share reports with teammates who read numbers differently, this quick setting can make your dashboards and exports much clearer. We're talking about things like whether you see 234.56 or 1.234,056, and how thousands and decimals appear throughout your account. Start by going to the left-hand navigation and clicking on Admin, then choose Preferences. This is the hub for how Google Ads looks and feels for you, including language and numerical display options. Think of it as your personal viewing settings. Changing these won't affect how your ads deliver or how performance is calculated. They simply change how the numbers are shown on your screen. Next, click on Display Language and Number Format. This section controls two related but distinct things. Display language sets the language you see in the interface, like menus and labels. Number format sets how digits appear, such as which character separates thousands and which character marks decimals. Now, adjust the number format to what's most comfortable and unambiguous for you. For example, if you prefer a comma for thousands and a period for decimals, choose the format that shows 123,456, 7 and 8. If you're used to a period for thousands and a comma for decimals, you'll want the version that shows 123.456, 78. Being consistent with what your team uses helps prevent misreads in budgets, bids, and revenue numbers. A quick note about language and formatting behavior. When you change the display language, some languages automatically enforce that language's typical number format. In those cases, the number format will switch to match that language's regional standard. Other languages give you the flexibility to keep the language you chose while picking a different number format. If you notice the number format changing with the language, that's expected for certain locales. Once you've set things the way you like, that's it. Your interface updates to reflect the new format across reports, charts, and tables. This is a user-level setting, so it won't change how teammates see numbers in their own accounts. Also, keep in mind that when you export data and open it in a spreadsheet, the program's regional settings can influence how numbers appear there too. So make sure everyone is aligned to avoid confusion. And there you go. You clicked Admin and selected Preferences, opened Display Language and Number Format, and chose the number format that works best for you. That's all.